Xiaomi has soft launched its next smartphone, in the Redmi Note series. The specifications of the new phone. First, it has a 6.26-inch Full HD display, which is of the IPS LCD type. The display uses up 86% of the space. With an aspect ratio of 199, the screen receives protection from an unspecified version of Corning Gorilla Glass. Xiaomi has retained the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro as in the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The graphics processor is Adreno 509. The RAM is 4GB and the internal storage 64GB, a hybrid slot for a microSD card to take. The storage to 256GB is also provided, incidentally. Xiaomi has launched only one variant of this new phone, and there is no way of knowing as of now. What plans the Chinese manufacturer has for launching other variants of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. The Android Oreo version 8.1 is the OS, with the in-house MIUI 10 adopted to suit it, forming the skin. The camera section in the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro is also quite exciting, as it has gone in for a dual camera setup, in the front for selfies as well. The rear camera has a 12-megapixel sensors combination, and the front of the phone sports a primary 20MP sensor coupled with a 2-megapixel secondary sensor. The front camera has support from 4-in-1 Super Pixel and AI-aided face unlock capabilities. Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro battery is 4000 mAh and Xiaomi claims it can last 2 full days on a 100% charge.